It's Property Weekly, Kenya's premier television magazine show on all matters real estate. It's here that we continue scanning the market to bring you the real issues and deals while answering questions you need answered by the best brains in Kenya's property market. My name is Patrick Igunza. This week on Cozy Heavens, we are in the kitchen, an area that is increasingly getting the attention of interior decorators who want to create a more accommodative setting fit for more than just food. Here's more. Welcome to the show. Now, for close to 4.5 years, Foresight Interiors has been involved in the design, manufacturing and installation of kitchen and cabinetry. With us on the set is none other than the MD of the company, Sam Wanjohi, who basically wants to take us through incorporating modern kitchen designs in our homes. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Patrick.
A kitchen, is it an important component, for lack of a better word, when it comes to our indoor spaces or our homes?
Yes, I think nowadays it's the most important room in the house because the kitchen is no longer the place where women go to produce food for the family. It's a piece of art and it's a very useful room, and it's really a congregation point for the family, sort of in the evenings. Probably before dinner, there's people coming in and out of the kitchen all the time.
And talking of modern kitchen designs, what exactly do we mean by this?
Modern kitchen designs much more will incorporate things like sitting areas, sort of maybe high stools at bar level or lower chairs at dining height, maybe with a kitchen island that's used for sort of, one can be making food preparation on one side of the island while the children sit on the other side and have a conversation. I think is about looking at the lifestyle of the user of that kitchen and incorporating that, not just food preparation and cooking, as well as incorporating modern appliances that do things that weren't done before. For instance, a modern kitchen nowadays would have an oven fitted at a high level, meaning people don't bend to try and see what's inside their oven or what's cooking. It's actually at eye level, as well as making use of blind corners. So in old design, you had some corners where the cabinet one could never reach because it's too deep. So again, it's about space utilization. We talk about a triangle where you're supposed to be able to draw a triangle between your fridge, your cooking area, and your washing area, because those are the functional areas. It's a really nice idea when friends come over. You want to sit on higher stools, and you want to be able to serve them drinks of any kind. And it's quite nice to incorporate that in a modern kitchen as part of the kitchen, using the same space.
How many types make up modern kitchen designs?
Well, we have so many materials that one can use. So with modern kitchen design, we are talking more about the design rather than the material. People love solid wood and they always will, and it's just about designing to accommodate a modern lifestyle. So we still will use mahogany, oak, walnut, which is a wood that is found in America and Canada. So, but we do like using that. Then on the more mvule, those are other woods, and even softwoods like cypress and pines, we can use those as well. Then on the more artificial materials that have just come in the last few years, you have things like melamine laminated sheets, which are boards that come in a variety of colors. You have acrylic sheets, which is like a very scratch-resistant plastic material specifically for interior design use. So the materials are endless. Yeah. Then, of course, you've asked about things like countertops or worktops, as some people call them. Yeah. So again, there you have a wide variety. Typically, granite is recommended, and in Kenya, There's quite a few choices of good suppliers for granite worktops. We have some suppliers of quartz, but there's some materials out there that we would like to see come to the market.
Just how expensive or inexpensive is it?
It's not cheap. It's something that has a lot of thought has to go into it, a lot of design, a lot of interaction with the client to understand exactly what they want. The material makes a big difference, and of course the size of the room that it's going into. A reasonable kitchen may cost you from 200,000 upwards, but really once it's in, it should be much more valuable than that to its user.